Hi, my name is Melissa, and I am a commercial trucking specialist here at United Commercial Insurance. I've been with UCI for a little over 2 years now, and I have over 5 years of experience in the insurance industry. Over the course of my career in the insurance industry, I have discovered one of my favorite coverages is actually medical payments. Medical payments are one that you want to look at if you've ever been worried about the high cost of medical expenses that come from accidents on the road, or if you've ever just been really frustrated with the length of time it takes for claims to go through the process and getting reimbursement for any unexpected medical expenses that are going to come from an accident on the road. Medical payments is often referred to as MedPay. It is designed to cover medical expenses due to an accident on the road, regardless of who's at fault. So if you're at fault or you're not at fault, medical payments is going to help you offset those out-of-pocket costs from the beginning of the process. For truck drivers, trucking companies, MedPay is crucial. It ensures that you and your employees are protected financially in the event of an accident. With the high risks of trucking being on the road, long haul, different varying conditions on the road, MedPay becomes even more important. So what does MedPay actually cover? It's going to take care of a variety of expenses that come from an accident, whether it be commercially or on your personal vehicles. It is going to cover the immediate medical expenses like ambulance rides, emergency department charges, but it's also still going to be there to help you offset the costs of longer-term care like physical therapy. The other thing that's really great about MedPay is that coverage is available immediately. You don't have to wait until the claim is closed out, which sometimes can take months or even years in some instances. So those costs, we don't always have the luxury of waiting for the claim to close before we need to pay our medical bills. This is going to help you out with that. So choosing the right coverage when you're talking med-pay, you really have to look at your specific needs. Look at the number of drivers you employ. Look at how long those trips are. Even look at, kind of estimated medical costs in your own area or in the areas that you travel to the most frequently. Really try to avoid the pitfall of not having enough med-pay. It's not an expensive coverage for what you're going to get. I always will recommend maxing that coverage out to whatever limit your insurance carrier will allow. And that is, again, whether commercially or personally, those payments are going to help you really, really offset those medical costs. They continue to increase every single year. So really kind of keep an eye on your policy and make sure that your coverage is increasing with that to kind of help offset anything that you might find, and the ultimate goal here is you want to avoid any unexpected costs, and you also want to avoid being forced to shut the business down or not being able to cover your bills. The financial security that comes with that is pretty important. So really, MedPay is a critical component of any commercial trucking policy. It's going to cover your essential medical expenses and provide financial security while also allowing for quick and efficient claims. Don't wait until an accident happens to realize the importance of MedPay. Review your current policy, talk with your agent, make sure that you have the coverages that you need. If you have any questions or need assistance, also anytime feel free to call us. Just make sure that you're looking at this to protect yourself and your business.